Upon receiving your mask in the mail, unpack it to find the following inside. 1 pre-assembled Mk.3 Personal Protection Mask with a fixed information sticker. 5 nose pads. 2 filter caps. 2 inner filters. 3 PM2.5 air filter pads suitable for 6 pairs of filters. 2 elastic straps. 1 mask strap stress reliever or MSSR. 1 disclaimer notice. 1 business card and 1 thank you note. For the purpose of assembly and mask fitting, you will additionally require a watertight basin, a kettle or heated water source, scissors, protective gloves, paper towel, tweezers or a small pair of pliers. Before assembly, please read the disclaimer notice before removing the sticker affixed to your mask. Make sure to remove all facial hair that can disrupt the effectiveness of the mask. Wash your hands or don protective gloves before assembly and fitting. Remove the elastic straps and put aside for now. Heat enough water to approximately 80 degrees centigrade so that you can completely submerge your mask facing down. Use caution when around hot water. Remove any filter paper first if you have not done so already, and submerge the mask. Bathe in the heated water for 20 to 30 seconds. After this period, check how pliable the plastic is by gently manipulating its edges. You should feel that there is some flexibility in the plastic once it is heated appropriately. Remove the mask from the water bath quickly and safely. Drain excess pooled water from the mask. Place the mask over the bridge of your nose and hook under your chin. Use both of your index and second fingers to push the plastic into shape of the bridge of your nose and cheekbone structure. At the same time, make sure that the outer brim is making complete contact with facial topography, including cheekbones, chin, jaw and mandible. Make sure that when pressed firmly against your face, these bony prominences do not experience pain from the plastic's contact. A comfortable fit should result from equal pressure distributed across the face mask interface. Please note, uneven pressure distribution will reduce comfort. Check the seal on the face by lightly covering each filter vent and inhaling briefly for 2 to 3 seconds. A well-fitting mask will suck to your face. Immediately after inhaling for 3 seconds, exhale steadily while applying a little force to the mask onto the face. If air leaks from a point or points, then reheat the mask fully or partially to remold the mask to fit the problematic leaks. Repeat the seal check test once again. Once satisfied, sterilize the mask and dry. To replace the nose pad, following fitting, moulding or washing the mask, first dry the mask and take the nose pad. Peel off the adhesive paper from the nose pad. Apply centrally to the moulded bridge's brim. Do this only after the fitting process has been concluded. Allow a slight overlap no more than 3 mm above the top of the mask. Once satisfied with the positioning, firmly press to adhere. At this stage, do a secondary seal check. If there are any leaks after adjusting the mask or the MSSR, then remold the mask again before trying a second time. You may attach the elastic straps in a suitable manner, but we suggest using in combination with the mask strap stress reliever or MSSR. Feed the elastic straps through the rear holes, tie knots and lock in place. Trim excess ends and maintain equal lengths of the elastics on both sides. In order to prepare and replace the PM2.5 filters, first take a single PM2.5 filter pad. Then take a £2 coin or 50p coin, or even use the mask's vents as a stencil. Draw around this with a pen or a pencil. Take a pair of scissors and cut out the 2 filter pads from the hole pads provided. A single PM2.5 filter pad should allow for 3 pairs of filters necessary for your Mk.3 PP mask. Place the filter over the mask vent centrally. Then place the inner plastic filter on top of the PM2.5 filter centrally. Push the inner filter down like a pin tack, so that the outer brim of the filter paper creates a complete seal. This should not be loose and should resist easy removal. Repeat the process for the second filter module. Add the filter module caps to both vents. These should be firmly bound and should require a little manipulation to unbind. To don the mask, using the mask strap stress reliever or MSSR, attach one side of the MSSR to the right or left elastic strap loop. Then put the device around your neck. Take the opposite elastic strap loop and hook it to the opposing side of the MSSR with equal hook tension. Make sure that the elastic tension is equal for both sides to ensure even face mask interface pressure distribution. Remove any eyewear at this stage and be careful of any facial jewellery. Pull the mask over your nose, mouth and chin. Then, using both hands, pull the MSSR up the back of your head until the top strap is above your ears and the bottom strap is below your ears. Check the fit of the MSSR for optimum comfort. If the mask interface is not tight enough, then increase the elastic tension by resetting the MSSR hook settings on both sides equally. Once the mask's seal and comfort are satisfactory, you have successfully donned your mask and are ready to perform your duties. For details on washing your mask, please find the link to our personal protective visor instruction video at the end of this tutorial. Following the initial fitting process, we hope that your mask becomes a reliable and welcome extension of your professional or personal toolkit during this pandemic crisis. It is our hope that it will allow you to perform your duties safer and with more confidence at work or out and about. Get in touch on social media or telephone for additional guidance on fitting or usage. Take care and stay safe.